Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this simple but tricky question. 6 divided by 2 plus 1 into 4. We will solve it with PEMDAS rule. And first we will do multiplication then division. Okay. So our equation will become 6 divided by 2 plus 1 into 4. This is 4. Now we will solve for this part, 6 divided by 2. So when we divide 6 from 2, then it will become 3 plus 4, and now 3 plus 4, which is 7. So here final answer is 7. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe us and check out better products in the description. Thanks for watching.